This is the Instant Pot Pro 8QT. In this video, we'll explain why this is the perfect pressure cooker for busy people who still want to enjoy quick, healthy, and delicious meals every day. We'll go over its 10 amazing functions, 28 smart programs, and give you an exclusive cooking hack that you won't find anywhere else. So make sure to watch till the end. The Instant Pot Pro 8QT is a 10-in-1 pressure cooker that replaces the need for 10 separate appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, sauté dome, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sous vide, steamer, sterilizer, baker, and a warmer. With its 28 smart programs, you can effortlessly prepare everyday recipes with just one touch. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Instant Pot user, these programs offer the perfect starting point for cooking delicious meals with ease. This pressure cooker boasts an 8-quart family-sized capacity, making it ideal for large families, gatherings, or meal prep. With the ability to cook 28 different types of dishes, you'll never run out of meal ideas. And with 70% faster cooking times compared to traditional methods, you'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time doing the things you love. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot Pro 8QT is its safe steam release, which ensures that the steam is released quietly and without any mess. This allows for easy and worry-free pressure release after cooking. Another great benefit of this pressure cooker is its ease of cleanup. The lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, making it a breeze to clean up after a hearty meal. Prioritizing safety is essential, especially in the kitchen. That's why we're thrilled to share that the Instant Pot Pro 8QT comes equipped with several safety features, designed to provide peace of mind while you cook. These features include overheat protection, a self-sealing lid, and secure handles, ensuring that you can use this pressure cooker without any worries. As an added bonus, the Instant Pot Pro 8QT comes with 2 additional accessories to enhance your cooking experience: an extra sealing ring to ensure a tight seal during cooking, and a stainless steel steamer basket for perfectly steamed vegetables and dumplings. Now, let's move on to the Pro 8QT Instant Pot. Cooking hack or tip: 1-pot chicken and rice. Add seasoned cubed chicken, rice, your favorite veggies and broth to the inner pot. Pressure cook for 10 minutes. And there you have it, a quick, healthy, and delicious dinner for the whole family. And here's another morning hack: use the Instant Pot Pro 8QT overnight to make steel-cut oats or yogurt, so breakfast is ready when you wake up. Now let's discuss some of the pros and cons of this product to help you decide if it's right for you. Pros: replaces 10 appliances in one, saving you time and space in your kitchen. Family-friendly, large capacity. It's easy to clean. Free Instant Pot app with 800+ recipes. Cons: a bit heavy at 15+ pounds. Might be too large for singles or couples. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Pro 8QT is a fantastic time-saving kitchen gadget that allows you to create quick, healthy, and delicious meals with ease. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who wants to enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle, this pressure cooker is definitely worth considering. So be sure to check the Amazon link below for the latest deals and discounts. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing product reviews, and comment below with your favorite Instant Pot recipe.